Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a new Shopify store. I'll cover all of the basics from the UI into the navigation as well. So first off, you can just navigate straight onto the shopify.com website. After that, you'll be greeted with this homepage. Let's just start a free trial right away. And then you'll be prompted with all of these questions. You can skip these if you'd like, but I'm going to answer them just so I could show you what the process is like. So first off, they're going to ask, let's get started. Which of these describes you best? You can just, I'm just starting, or I'm already selling online or in person. I'm just going to say this. Where would you like to sell? An online store. What do you plan to sell first? Products I buy or make myself, or drop shipping products if you'd like. And your business is located where? Preferably your actual country or region. Great. Now you'll be prompted to make a Shopify account. There'll be a couple options here. I'm going to sign up with an email. I'm going to use a temporary email for this one. I'm going to make a password real quick. After you've made your account, they'll be building your store. Wait a moment for it. Great. Now you have a Shopify store. This is called your admin dashboard, admin.shopify.com. This is where you can manage all of your store, your products, your customer, your analytics, your design, all of it. So let's get started. This is a setup guide. First off, we can add our first product, and then a custom domain. Customize your online store, name your store, set up your shipping rate, plus a test order. You can go through this if you'd like, but it's not set in stone. You can do it in whichever order you'd like. So let's start off from here. This is orders. It'll fill up with the orders when you actually get orders and when your shop is live. And then products. I don't have any products here yet. You can add a new one by going here, pressing this. Customers, we don't have customers yet, so it's empty. Content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and online store. The online store here is just the design of your store. There's a couple pre-made themes if you'd like. And you can edit the code as well by pressing on the three dots here and then pressing edit code. But I don't recommend you touching this unless you have technical know-hows. If I press customize, it'll look like this. This is what your website would look like. This left side here is the, layers. You can change the text here, but by just clicking it, and I'm just going to change it into like, buy my stuff. There's a lot more you can customize. I suggest you just play around with it until you're happy. There's also point of sale here. You can also add apps if you'd like, but some apps have paid subscription, some are free, so be cautious of that as well. And the last one is settings. The settings. There's a lot here you can do. The one I'd like to direct your attention to is domains. Right now, this is your domain. If someone wants to access your store, they'll have to type this in. It's a little hard to, type in because it's just a random string of letters and numbers. So ideally, you have your own domain and then connect it by using this button right here. But all in all, this is how you make a Shopify store. From here on out, you got it.